So very much stiffness on the right side of your neck and upper part of your shoulder right there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll do this hugger move right here. Relax. Just be relaxed. That is so tight. It's hard to relax today, right?
Yeah.
Wow. That did make a move.
I need to open my jaw.
It did?
I mean,
Open your jaw.
Okay.
Okay, let's see the other way. Okay, this one was a big one. Now turn your neck to the right and left.
This
Still,
one is good.
but still
not-
that's
not
restricted,
this
right?
one, yeah.
Okay. I want to try one more on that side.
I feel like it's blocking. when I-
Blocking. So see, that's still limited right there. Oh, now. Now
Oh,
I
yeah,
can see
that's-
the,
yeah.
feel the difference.